Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining one clear goal, what answer or outcome you want. Use short keyword phrases instead of full sentences. This narrows results quickly. Once done, add quotes for exact phrases and a minus sign to exclude noise because precision reduces wasted clicks. Make sure to append filters such as file type, PDF, or a time range to focus relevance. You'll save time and surface higher quality sources right away. So start precise and iterate with new terms as you learn what appears. You now skim the top results to judge credibility. Look at snippets, domain names, and publication dates to avoid stale or low-quality pages. If results are off, substitute synonyms or add plus signs or to combine concepts and use cite to search a single domain because targeted querying reveals hidden pages. Once you find promising hits, open a few in tabs and compare content quickly. Make sure to check metadata, authorship, and context before trusting a single source. You wrap up by synthesizing the best findings into a concise answer or saved list and record source links so you can verify later. If you can't find reliable info, employ advanced operators like intitle or intitle or switch engines to compare coverage. This often uncovers niche results. If queries still fail, clear your cache, disable extensions, or rephrase using broader terms because search behavior changes with context. Finally, confirm facts across at least 2 reputable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.